Hello everyone and welcome to Everything is Crypto. This is going to be my very first video on the channel and we're going to be going over Mercurity Finance, otherwise known as Mercurity Swap of DeFi protocol. Now, I just want to point this out. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just a fellow crypto investor who loves crypto and I'm just going to be sharing it on the channel. What I invest in, take this as entertainment. I'm not telling you what to put your money in or anything because, it takes some risk as well investing into crypto, as you all probably already know. But Mercurity.finance, also known as Mercurity Swap Protocol, is probably one of the biggest things out there I could say right now. They're getting right now a new UI upgrade or update, whatever you want to call it. So everything will probably look a bit different. It'll look more better. And I think that's one of the reasons why it's getting held back, because not a lot of people know about it. Now, what it is, as you can see, it's an open DeFi platform powered by Swap. Reuse LP tokens across different protocols to maximize yield. And then you can join the community. They have their Telegram, Twitter, and different groups, GitHub. And I'm just going to go over here real quick to the Yahoo Finance article because it kind of explains it a bit more. And before we get started, the company that's backing this or that's designed the token, it's a Mercurity Fintech Holding Inc. And if you search up their name on Google, so we're just going to search up Mercurity Fintech Holding Inc. They're an actually publicly traded stock. As you can see, their stock price is $7.10, and again, NASDAQ. Now, they're headquartered in Beijing and New York. They have offices in New York and Beijing. And what that means is that it's good for expansion-wise. It's not just getting limited to one country. But I'm just going to kind of read through this a little bit just to give you a more in-depth field of Mercurity. And I'm going to be leaving this in the link down below in the description. But we'll just start from the top here. Mercurity aims to build an open, flexible, and autonomous DeFi trading, liquidity, and payment services for consumers around the world. Beijing and New York, October 6th, 2020. So this has been out for, I guess, a few months. I would say it really kicked off around, here we'll just, this is their exchange. As you can see, I have 3,000 tokens. And I'm just going to point this out there right now. Like, the price is good. It was at, I believe, $9 previous. And I'm just going to quickly pull up the DEX tools. Let's see if this is it. I think this is it. Yes. Right now, see, the price is $6.45. And I got in roughly around the $3 mark. And I've been debating whether to make a video on it because this is a yield farming token. And this is probably one of the reasons why I think it'll do fairly well, because yield farming, a lot of tokens that were created around it, a lot of crypto projects were scams. This is one of the only ones, I know there's a few more out there, but this is one of the only ones I personally believe will do very well in the future. And specifically because it's got a dedicated team behind it. And there's a lot of things that are coming out. As you can see, I'll go back to their site. They have lending coming out, insurance. This is insurance for their farming, because for your farming, you can earn rewards. And I'm sure you guys already know what yield farming is. Essentially, it's basically lending out your crypto for high rewards. And in this case, you can do that on Mercurity. However, there is a chance you can lose your tokens if price goes up. If price is stable or going down, you're actually in a better spot. This is just the simplest form I can say it for people who don't know. And then they have their synthetics. Now, we're going to go back. As you can see, like I said, it is a publicly traded stock. And again, headquartered in Beijing and New York. But we'll just go down here because this is when it was announced. Today announced it's the first public company to announce plans. See, again, right here. First public company to announce plans to launch an open, decentralized finance DeFi platform that will be designed to solve retail traders' global problems of low liquidity and capital utilization, poor governance, token growth incentive deficiencies, and slow transaction speeds. The company's mission is to build a global, unified, and diverse decentralized finance, so DeFi, ecosystem by connecting the world's best DEXs, centralized exchanges, and DeFi communities across the globe. Now, you can read this. I don't want to read all through it, but I'm just going to kind of go over the things that they are promising. So, enhanced segmented services. Mercurity aims to deliver a flexible open DeFi platform to best meet customer groups' needs by leveraging the synergistic value. I'm going to probably not pronounce a lot of these right. Just don't get me on it here. synergistic value of its planned liquidity lending and permanent loss insurance. Now that's what it is. So right now they don't have any insurance, but they're coming out with it, which is another good thing. So if you're farming or staking your tokens, you can experience an impermanent loss, meaning you could lose all your tokens for the high rewards that it offers. And what they're going to be coming out with is insurance. And what they have said on their Twitter is that the insurance is going to cover 70%. So say you lose all your tokens, like because of a moon, say the coin skyrockets in price, you will be covered 70% of your tokens, which is really good in my opinion. I'll probably start farming once that comes out. But let's continue. And automated market maker powered AMM swap synthetic asset and stablecoin protocols. The swap and Mercurity platform governance tokens MEE and MEE, so MEE and MER respectively, are expected to be available in the fourth quarter of 2020. The liquidity lending insurance stablecoin and synthetic asset protocols are estimated to be available between the fourth quarter of 2020 and the first quarter of 2021. So yeah, this is still coming out. The synthetics, as you can see it, the lending insurance synthetics is still coming out. And again, I didn't mention this earlier. It has been security audited by Boson, so I probably don't know how to click that right. But if you click it, it'll go right to their Twitter, and it'll show it is. You could, I believe they have it. Let's see the audit report. So you can click all that. You can read through it. Or actually, is this it? Yeah, Boson blockchain security, and you can read that. So it has been security audited, and I just want to point this out. I'm trying to recall the coin that it boomed to like $100 million market cap just because of a security audit. And this is insane. This basically means that the rug pull chance is 0%. And I don't believe there'll ever be a rug pull with this. Again, people could probably say otherwise. I highly, highly doubt there ever would, because we know the people that's involved. It's a NASDAQ company, and plain and simple, they can be held accountable for what happens. But again, this... See 710, and the price right now, where is it here? $6.45. It dropped to $4.80, which would have been an ideal time to buy at. And right now, the highest it's been is $9.60, and the minimum is 20 cents. So if whoever got in here before it boomed was really lucky, like probably insanely lucky. And you can go to CoinGecko. CoinGecko, they takes a bit to update because of the Oracle they need to update. So they have been listed on CoinGecko, and this was just in the last week they got listed, so it's not exactly accurate. That's why you don't see this, but they did get listed on CoinGecko. Here you can see the thing. Same with CoinMarketCap. They were listed on CoinMarketCap as well, which is awesome. Very good news. And I believe this coin personally could probably hit anywhere from the $200 mark, $100 to $200 mark. But let's continue with the trade mining. While many DEX users bear higher gas fees and potentially larger price slippages than CEXs, most DEXs do not compensate traders. In contrast, Mercurity considers traders to be equally important to liquidity providers and therefore plans to ensure that traders receive MER token rewards from their trading activity. Now, this is about the Mercurity FinTech holding. You can just read that if you want to get an idea of what they're kind of about. And this is their contact information if you need to contact them for the company. Again, the fact that they have this article, as well as they're known. You can go to their Telegram and you can look at all the members there. You could look at the admins and the devs. And right now, their site's very minimalistic. And the whole reason for that is because they're more focusing on the development of their products. All these they're mainly focusing on right now. And that's perfectly fine by me. I'm in this for the long run, as I believe a lot of you should, because this has the potential to be insane. Like this, nobody knows about it as well. A lot of people do not know about it. And that's probably another good reason why it's good to get in. It's a low market cap. The market cap rank, I believe right now is around 5 million. And think about it. This could get to 100 million easy. Like it's anywhere from 5 to 6 million right now for the $6. So you have a chance to 50x your money. Again, this is for entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor of any sorts. I'm just telling you what I'm all in. And this is it basically. I've got 15 grand invested in this. Again, this isn't most accurate, the MetaMask right now, because the price, the Oracle needs to be updated even more, and they're working on it now just to make it more, how should I say, accurate. Because as you can see, the price difference, if we were to actually look at the price, because this is different than the CoinGecko, and MetaMask goes off CoinGecko. So if we go 6.45 times how many coins do I have? I have 3,098 coins. You get roughly around 20 grand, right? And this isn't photoshopped. I can reload the page and then do it. And again, this is on my ledger. That's why I don't care if you see the address. This is on my ledger. You can't get access to it. But anyway, yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I know it wasn't insanely big, but I just wanted to do a quick video on it because I do believe people should get in on this project. There has been a lot of whales that have been invested. Just the other day, somebody dropped 100 grand into this token that was invested into CWERS. So yeah, I would just recommend to take a look at it. I'll leave everything down in the description. Again, it's your choice, but I truly believe it's going to pass its all-time high very soon and potentially make even newer, higher highs in the months to come. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is Everything is Crypto, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.